Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when Grignard reagent reacts with CO2 in the presence of dry ether and H plus H2O. Product choices are A. Acetaldehyde, B. Acetone, C. Acetic acid, D. Ethanol. Answer is C. Acetic acid. The mechanism of this reaction we will see in the next slide. This is Grignard reagent and it is the CO2. In the presence of dry ether, CH3 attacks this carbon and this bond breaks down. As a result, this compound is produced in the next stage, which reacts with H plus and H2O to form acetic acid. Thank you for watching this video.